Good morning. So I had a taste for a omelet this morning. I was actually gonna, well, not this morning. I think it's a little bit after 1, but I had a taste for a omelet. So I decided to record this video to share my recipe. And I know it may sound funny to say that I'm gonna be using vegetables in this recipe, but I am. I love vegetables. If you all follow me on my husband and I's channel, you already know I love vegetables. So I am going to add some of this sirloin. I purchased that from Costco. And then I'm going to add in this vegetable mix, which I purchased from, I think I bought this from Sam's. I'm going to add in some cheddar jack cheese along with this Italian blend cheese. And where did my eggs go? And then I'm going to be using 2 eggs. So how are you all doing on today? And are you ready for me to get into this omelet? I know I am. So let's get started. This is how the steak looks out of the package. Let me take it out so you can see. It's pretty much done, but I like to go in and still kind of pan fry it a little bit. Let me put my gloves on. I forgot to show you. I am going to use a small amount of this Lawry's teriyaki marinade. I love this. It adds a little bit of sweetness. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour some of my marinade because I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. So, I would say maybe about 2 tablespoons is what I add. And so it's already cut for you, which I'm going to show you all really quick. Okay. So as you can see, it's already cut for you. I'm just going to take all of this apart and then let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Now, if you can let it sit in the refrigerator longer, that's good. But I like to use this steak on everything. I mean, we use this steak, we marinate it and I cook it and I make mashed potatoes and vegetables. You know, I make quesadillas. I make quesadillas with this steak. So you can pretty much use this steak for anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate this steak and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is our steak. We are ready to go. But before we cook the steak, I am going to go ahead and steam up my vegetables in just a small amount of water.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
I decided to use my frother this morning for my eggs, and it actually worked out pretty good.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. Never
Let me add, I only use one pan for this omelet. I actually went and rinsed out my pan when I finished cooking my steak, just so when I put my egg into the pan, it's not all brown, because you don't want your eggs all dark brown and all of that stuff. But anyway, I do want to tell you, make sure you have your heat on low. You want to have it on low when you add your eggs. That way your eggs will be nice and fluffy. They don't cook too fast. Now, the secret that I learned when cooking omelets is you just want to move the egg around. You want to allow the areas where the egg is already done, you want to kind of move that part of the egg out of the way to allow the raw egg to cook. But you'll actually see what it is that I'm saying in this next clip. As far as, I like to move my egg around. I'm going to go back in with my steak and my vegetables. I'm also going to add my cheese and fold over my omelet, and I'm done. I'm just going to allow that to melt. And if you want to add a lid to melt your cheese faster, you can also do that as well. But make sure you have your heat on low. And let me tell you, this omelet is good. Now, I make it without the steak. It's actually good with just the vegetables and the cheese. You can replace it with shrimp, chicken. You can use bacon, sausage, whatever filling you choose. It's a very good omelet. Also had a taste for some iced coffee. So these are the ingredients that you will need for your iced coffee. Now I wanted to get a little fancy, so I put some caramel in the glass for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this recipe. Let me know your favorite omelet recipe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.